What is that? Who is that? What is that, little buddy?
Ooh. That's up there. Oh.
Bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Wait, you say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let everybody say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll say bye-bye.
After that, I took a video.
Bye-bye.
Maybe after that. Yeah, you look like Muslim.
I know, it's a little freedom fighter there of some kind. Let's see if we can all get into it.
Ooh, that's my video.
Oh.
That's your video you made? Well, let's see if we can get everybody's picture. Look how fat I look. Oh my god. Hello! I'm very skinny. I'm not vain at all.
That's my video already.
Yes, I know, baby.
His name is John
Look at
Paul.
Johnny. Ooh, who's Johnny?
John Paul Robillard from Philippines. He was born in the Philippines.
Yay! Say hello.
Yeah, and he will be leaving soon to America. Oh, are you excited, my baby?
Who's that?
Hello.